Hi, here is another recap video for you. And last week, our discussion topic was on safety, because safety is our number one priority in teaching orientation mobility. We are the only teachers, the only service providers whose content is so important. It is really a life or death situation. If our students don't have those skills, or if their orientation mobility skills are subpar, we could potentially endanger their lives. And so it's a very it's very scary to think about how important your instruction is to a student. So I could understand why everyone talked about having some apprehension. When do you know that that student is ready to travel independently on public transportation? When do you know that that student's ready to independently cross the street? I can say that I had these same apprehensions, and I felt a whole lot better about knowing when someone is ready when I felt ready. And I did that during the summer course. And I can tell you that summer course, all those weeks you spend independently crossing the street, blindfolded, that builds your confidence, and you see how different skills build upon each other. And it's really like an experience that you'll never ever have again. It was absolutely amazing. I'd come home every day and my whole body ached because I was so tense underneath that blindfold. And as the weeks went by, I felt better and better and better. And by the end, I didn't have like whole muscle cramping. So I can tell you that you'll feel better about your knowledge in teaching, and how you can possibly teach someone to cross the street independently when you take the course. When you take that course, it's going to, your confidence is going to grow exponentially. It's going to be wonderful. I'm almost jealous because that course is it's so great. It's a lot of fun. You'll have a lot of fun, and you'll meet all the people that you've been talking to online. You'll meet all of them or most of them, and you'll have relationships for the rest of your life. It'll be great. And apart from that, it was really a great discussion. And one other topic that came up was that while we may have apprehensions and worry about our students, we need to also make sure that we're not coddling them, because that's not what our students need either, right? We're in the business of teaching independence, and if we're hand-holding, then we're not teaching. And so, you all caught on to that as well. And so, I'm very excited. You're a great bunch of new orientation mobility specialists, and it's going to be a great summer, and I'm excited for you. So, another great discussion. We'll see you next week. Bye.